Today we're playing Trees Hate You. Oh goodness, hello tree. I dodged him on accident. Just reminding you, trees, I do love you. Oh my gosh, he's got a gun! Why? After it'll work. Oh! No, he's. Oh, why? I promise I haven't played this game before. No, they're after me. Hide in the bushes. Okay. I feel like I got real lucky on that first round. This guy shoots horizontally. This one. No, Edna, why? His reach is so far. Good, okay, I can't. Wow! How are you so fast? Through the bushes. How are you so fast? Run straight. Come on, bro! Edna, bring it in. Go, just go. How? The barrier, the amount of time I have is too limited. Crusty stick. Oh, I gotta go so fast. Let's go, baby. I don't trust the tree coin. Yeah, that's a good thing. Okay, I was expecting it to be bad. That sucks, man. If a tree falls in the fall. Well, not that way. E right. Yeah. I have no control over my left leg anymore. You're so fast. You're too fast. What could be the worst thing that happens, huh? What could, hey, he comes around here and he says, yo, buddy boy, why go to the forest when they can come to you, huh? Money doesn't grow on trees. You know what does? Death. Death grows on trees. Death belongs to the trees. But I knew it. I didn't know it would do that, but I knew it would be bad. But it's fine, because I still love the trees. Still no checkpoint, though. Rock. What? Whoa, brother. That was the fastest tree in the West. Is he also? No! Yes, that's it. Let's go. No deaths. 0 deaths. Never died. Feel good. Ow. Yes. What? Oh, never mind. I'm good. Apples are explosive. Apples. Yeah. Please. They lure you. That's terrifying. That was the only shot I had. I have to get. I hate this game. Okay. Rounded balls coming my way. What can I say? Every day's gonna be a good day. Cool. Yeah. Rules we've set out. Isaac Newton, Indiana Jones, ball jerk. Can't. Oh, the vines. The vines. Yeah, I made it